Make this Melt Away Cleansing Balm. For my friends that want to wash their face without the harsh ingredients, you need to learn how to make this Melt Away Cleansing Balm with this simple DIY recipe from Simply Earth. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils and natural ingredients to make their own products they can use every day. So turn off distractions, making is healing. Let's get ready to get started. Before I dive in and tell you what you need, I just want to make sure you know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to make your own products, which is why we have this subscription box that will get you the ingredients you need delivered to your door. We'll even throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. For this recipe, you will need 3 tablespoons of almond oil. You can also swap it out with another carrier oil if you're running low. I love almond oil because it feels really light on the skin. You also need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This can be substituted for mango butter if you have acne or oily prone skin, or if you have very dry skin, you can swap it out for shea butter. Both of those are available at simplyearth.com. From our recipe box, we're going to be adding a tablespoon of emulsifying wax. This is going to allow the cleansing balm to rinse off of our skin and feel really light on our skin. We're also going to be adding a half teaspoon of beeswax, which is going to bring us to the right consistency for our balm. For essential oils, we're going to be using Simply Earth's Clear Skin Blend to support bright, beautiful, clear skin. Let's make it. To start, we're going to be using 3 tablespoons of almond oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, which is really moisturizing for your skin, a tablespoon of emulsifying wax, and a half teaspoon of beeswax. Now I'm going to melt these ingredients together. You can do this in a double boiler or in the microwave using short intervals. Now that my ingredients are melted, I'm just going to add my essential oil, so 15 drops of Clear Skin. So now I'm going to stir it to make sure the essential oil is diluted and not just floating on top. Essential oils are very concentrated and wonderful, and we need to dilute them so that they are not irritating on our skin. This is a 1% dilution rate, which is super gentle for your face and will work great. Now all that's left is to pour this into a jar. I've got a 2-ounce one here from Simply Earth. Now I'm gonna let this cool and it will be ready to use. Don't forget to label it. This label comes from the Simply Earth recipe box. It's even got a little spot where you can put the date so you can help track the shelf life of your product. Once it is totally cooled, it will harden into a balm that looks something like this. To use it, get a little bit on your finger. It's gonna melt on the skin and apply a thin layer to your face and rinse it away. It's also a great flea cleanser to wash away makeup and impurities on the skin before you start your face care routine. And you can make this too. If you want to turn natural ingredients into natural products like this Melt Away Cleansing Balm, you need to subscribe to Simply Earth's Essential Oil Recipe Box to get what you need shipped right to your door. I love to see your creations on social media, so be sure to take a picture when you make this and share it with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. You'll automatically be entered into our monthly $5 I Made This Challenge giveaway. Follow for more natural recipes just like this one.